The easiest path to succeeding in your agency, whether it be an SMMA agency, an LGA agency, or any agency that you're working with local businesses to help them get more leads and customers, the easiest path is actually the least path of resistance. Now, you can't avoid doing the work, but you can avoid falling down the rabbit holes of tech problems, creating your own campaigns, coming up with your own offers, building your own landing pages, and everything that comes with it. You also don't want to fall down the rabbit holes of trying to figure out what services to provide and what to say in, let's say, follow-up emails, right? There's a lot of moving parts and everybody gets caught in between. And that's why I want to announce something special that I'm going to be doing starting October 14th, and it's going to run through October 31st. Every day, Monday through Friday, I'm going to be releasing a new video in the niches that you see on your screen. Electrician, garage door, gym offers, home care, so on and so forth. You can read it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the funnel build of our 2-page sites that we have been running and thousands of others have been running for, let's say, lead generation on pay-per-click campaigns or on Facebook ads. These are going to be done for you funnels. Now, the way to get access to the actual done for you ones, or you can follow along and build them yourself, is by getting a free trial of GoHighLevel using my 30-day free trial link down below. Not every affiliate has that to offer. And so I'm offering you guys that. I'm going to be giving away these 14 funnels for anybody who jumps on a trial and starts paying for their GoHighLevel trial. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is James Bonnies. I've been running this type of business since 2014 and have coached over 8,000 people since 2017. I've done millions of dollars online. But it's not about me. It's always about you when I do these videos. And so what I want to do with this is I want to provide as much value as I can to you in the hopes that you use my affiliate link. Why? Well, it's very simple. If you use my affiliate link, even on the trial for 30 days, the best way that I'll end up getting paid is by helping you for those 30 days to land a client and make money. Then you'll stay in the software and I'll get paid. And then maybe one day you'll ascend into my higher end coaching. And that's where most people see the best success. Now, the interesting thing is my business partner and I have been teaching this business since 2017, as I said. And since then, our foot in the door offer that we've taught people since then for the last 7 or 8 years is reputation management, helping businesses get more reviews using the internet. And if you don't know the type of automation that I have and give our students and GoHighLevel trial affiliates, I have a special reputation management automation workflow that works really, really well. And business owners love it and are willing to pay for it. And now our students are even charging up to $500-$600 a month because GoHighLevel has the AI reviews. And so again, you can get access to that free snapshot by getting on a trial. The reason why I wanted to do this video was to announce that every day from October 14th to the 31st during the week, I'll be releasing a training of these funnels, building them, and then also the follow-ups that go along with each one of them. So let me just show you exactly what one of them looks like. So this would be an example of one of our 2-page sites. It's very simple, right? When creating landing pages, you want it to be very, very simple for people. And so when you get this snapshot, if you have that opportunity, then you can just fill in your client's information. You could change the colors if you want, the location and the address of them, and you're ready to go. You can grab some of the customer testimonials off of their Google Business Profile, and you can get this up running fast. Now, why is this so important? It's important because you don't want to spend days building funnels when you can just get them, and I can give them to you by joining GoHighLevel on our affiliate link, or upgrading, by the way. That's another way to do it. And so in order to learn about this, go to highlevelrewards.com. It's highlevelrewards.com. The link is down below as well. But I wanted to announce this and let you guys know, because I did mention it in my group, that this is what I was going to be doing. So I wanted to stay true to my word. Now, I wanted to show you guys the importance of reviews, because we've been teaching this for a very long time, and now everybody is jumping on that bandwagon. Every guru that you now see in the SMMA space, it's all how important reviews are, That's because we have so much success in what we teach that everybody starts to notice, which is fine. The world is abundant. But I wanted to show you guys this because this just shows, and I love this point right here. If a product receives 5 reviews, the likelihood of purchases increases by 270%. Now, you could read the rest of this stuff, but I just want to highlight that one, because if you want to know how to sell this to businesses, you can literally take this screenshot and put it on a slide and show potential businesses how important reviews are and why it is essential to their survival. And so let's just jump into, this is actually a student of ours, GoHighLevel account. And I love using students as the example of doing things the right way, because what we've learned over the years is that, like, sometimes I'm just a talking head, right? People see the awards behind me and they don't, there's no relation, right? They don't relate to me. But when I show you examples of students of ours, let's say, that are actually running this business and learn from us, it hits home a lot more than just constantly listening to me. So if I go over here into reviews, this is a Los Angeles Grits and Waffles client of one of our students. And if you take a look here, right, reviews received the last 6 months is 258. This is from him offering this service and getting paid. Now you jump over here and you see down here it says replied by Reviews AI. This helps add $200 to $300 a month to just a regular reputation management service, okay? Just by clicking a button in GoHighLevel. And if you don't know what GoHighLevel is, well, you could click down below. The HighLevel rewards will explain it all to you. But if you don't know, you got to get it if you're going to run this business. And you can see here how it's 5, 4, 5. Now, when you get like 3-star reviews, right, you can't stop everybody. And you don't want to, right? You want to stay compliant and everybody has to give their opinion. But even our AI reviews give such great feedback, even on bad stars. But we're also flooding Google with 4 and 5 stars. So it doesn't hurt as much when they get 2 or 3 stars. And also the feedback that people get, that clients get from a bad review, is worth much more because they get no feedback from good reviews, right? They just pat in the back. Hey, you're doing a good job. Cool. I'll just keep doing the same thing. But if they get feedback from bad reviews, well, now they can fix whatever leak that they have in their business. They get to fix it. And so it's such a great way to get in to a local area's business and get your foot in the door and offer these easy services. And then you ascend up, right? I think you guys have seen me do this before, but you ascend up into higher pricing tiers that look like this. And so you get to ascend up after blowing them away with getting all these reviews. You can go from free trial to ongoing rep management, or, you know, a short free trial. I do a lot of training on this. Then you can get into message marketing, lead gen, pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, and SEO. And so my hope is when I release these funnels, you guys have the opportunity to get under my affiliate link, so I can actually provide value, unlike most people that are doing this, to you. And so you can take whatever clients you have and make more money for them, or you can actually get results for clients and stop worrying so much about where to find your next one. All right, so I wanted to make that announcement today. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, there's a few choices down below. Click the link for highlevelrewards.com and go get on a free trial right now. Okay, and then you'll email me for access to the current bonuses that I have. You'll see the bonuses that I have. And then keep an eye out, like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and keep an eye out for when I start releasing these on October 14th. And they'll go 5 days a week for the next couple weeks. And lastly, my last announcement is, if you are on my list, and you get on my list by going to HighLevel Rewards and putting a real email in, I'm going to send some emails over the course of next weekend with a special announcement of a free training. So I just wanted to get that out there. I'll see you guys next week on a few videos that I have scheduled. See you soon. Bye-bye.